ENPAC hardcovers are a sturdy, ideal solution for the storage of 55-gallon drums. Available in a 2 and 4 drum unit, the roll-top doors are accessible from both sides, providing quick and easy access to the containment area. With a large opening, loading is simple using a forklift or loading rack. During use, sufficient vertical space allows for continued dispensing with drum pumps and funnels. The ENPAC spill pallet base collects drips, leaks, and spills in the fully compliant sump, while the removable grates provide access to spilled liquids. All hardcovers are lockable to secure contents, and their polyethylene construction is both weatherproof and chemically resistant. For efficient shipping, hardcovers arrive knocked down, and assembly is easily completed within minutes. For a long-term solution to your indoor and outdoor containment needs, choose the ENPAC hardcovers.